In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invest with Wells Fargo. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just taking your first steps in the world of investing, Wells Fargo provides several options to cater to your preferences and financial goals. Let's explore these different paths to investing with Wells Fargo. First, visit the Wells Fargo website and navigate to Investing and Wealth Management. This is the starting point where you can explore various investment opportunities. It's essential to familiarize yourself with the navigation and layout, as it will help you access the information you need with ease. One of the first options you might consider is do-it-yourself investing. This is ideal if you prefer to take control of your investments and feel comfortable making decisions on your own. It allows you to pick and choose the stocks, bonds, and mutual funds that fit your investment strategy. You'll find plenty of resources and tools at Wells Fargo to help guide your decisions. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, you might explore automated investing. This option is excellent if you're looking for an easy, low-maintenance way to invest. Using algorithms and smart technology, Wells Fargo can manage your investments for you once you've set your goals and risk preferences. It's a way to benefit from sophisticated investment strategies without having to manage each investment personally. For those desiring personalized guidance, you can work with a dedicated financial advisor. This option is particularly beneficial if you value a human touch and want expert insights tailored to your specific financial situation. A dedicated advisor can provide comprehensive planning and advice, making it easier to navigate complex financial decisions and craft a long-term investment plan. If you'd like a more collaborative approach, consider team-based wealth management. This strategy gathers experts across various disciplines, providing a holistic management style with input from multiple professionals. It's a great way to ensure every aspect of your finances is considered and managed for comprehensive wealth building. To help you choose the best investment path, click on Compare Ways to Invest. This feature offers a side-by-side comparison of each option, detailing the benefits, requirements, and considerations unique to each strategy. It's crucial to spend time here to ensure you choose the investment approach that aligns with your financial goals and comfort level. Once you've decided which investment option suits you best, follow the directions provided on the Wells Fargo platform to start your investment journey. Each step is designed to be straightforward, directing you through account setup, investment selection, and any other actions required to get started. Take your time to understand each directive to avoid any mistakes. Investing with Wells Fargo can be a strategic move towards securing your financial future. Whether you opt for a hands-on approach or prefer guidance and support, Wells Fargo offers the resources and solutions to meet your needs. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your investment journey.